If you're wondering how to improve your Mailchimp deliverability, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk through actionable steps to get your emails landing in inboxes instead of the dreaded spam folder. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share a bonus tip that can significantly boost your email success. First, let's talk about your sender reputation. This is a key factor Mailchimp uses to determine whether your emails get delivered. You want to make sure your domain is authenticated. This means setting up SPF, DKIM, and MARC records for your email domain. These protocols help prove to Mailchimp that your email is legit and not spam. Without them, your deliverability rate can take a serious hit. Next, your email list hygiene is crucial. It's tempting to grow your list quickly, but sending emails to unengaged or invalid addresses will only hurt your reputation. Regularly clean your list to remove inactive subscribers and bounced emails. You can use Mailchimp's built-in tools to monitor list health and avoid sending to stale or risky addresses. The cleaner your list, the better your deliverability will be. The third thing to focus on is subject lines. If your subject line looks too spammy, your email could get flagged before it even opens. Avoid using all caps, too many exclamation marks, or phrases like free or guaranteed. Keep your subject lines clear, concise, and relevant to the content of your email. A good subject line not only grabs attention, but also boosts your chances of landing in the inbox. Moving on to the fourth point, content quality. High quality, engaging content can improve deliverability in Mailchimp. Keep your email design clean, with a balance between text and images. Spam filters often flag emails that are overly image-heavy or lack text. Including a good ratio of both and making sure your email loads correctly on all devices will go a long way in improving deliverability. Now, the fifth thing to consider is consistency. Sending emails at regular intervals, rather than sporadically, can help maintain a good relationship with Mailchimp and your subscribers. If you email too infrequently or too frequently, it can trigger spam filters. Set a consistent schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. The sixth thing you can do to improve deliverability is avoid sudden changes in email volume. If you send a few hundred emails one week and then suddenly start sending thousands, Mailchimp may flag your account for suspicious activity. Gradually increase your email volume to maintain a consistent sending reputation. Next up, be mindful of your unsubscribe rate. If people are unsubscribing from your emails at a high rate, that signals to Mailchimp and other ISPs that your content isn't valuable to your audience. This could affect your deliverability. Provide high-quality content and ensure that every email you send has a clear and easy way for subscribers to opt out if they wish. The eighth thing to keep in mind is engagement. Mailchimp tracks how people interact with your emails. If your emails are consistently opened and clicked, your reputation will improve. Include clear calls to action in your emails to increase engagement and ensure your content is tailored to what your audience wants. Regularly checking your open and click-through rates can help you tweak your strategy for better results. Finally, if you followed all these tips but are still struggling with Mailchimp deliverability, consider using a dedicated IP address. Shared IPs, while convenient, can sometimes get caught up in the issues of others sharing the same server. A dedicated IP lets you control your reputation and maintain your deliverability rate without being affected by others. So, to recap, focus on sender reputation, list hygiene, clear subject lines, content quality, consistency, gradual volume changes, unsubscribe rates, engagement, and, if needed, a dedicated IP address. By following these tips, you'll see an improvement in Mailchimp deliverability and get more of your emails into inboxes. And before you go, remember, you can try this software for free through the first link below, and we've even added exclusive bonuses to help you get started right away. This will help you optimize your Mailchimp account, build a stronger email list, and improve your email campaigns. Don't miss out on that free trial. Click the link below to get started.